In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix lag and FPS drops in Streamlabs. If you're experiencing stuttering, dropped frames, poor performance, or lag while streaming or recording, there are several settings you can adjust to improve Streamlabs performance. Let's get started. First, open Streamlabs and click on Settings in the bottom left corner of the screen. From the Settings menu, select Advanced. Locate the Process Priority option and change it to High. This gives Streamlabs higher priority when using your system resources and can improve overall performance. Next, click on Video from the left-hand menu. Make sure your base canvas resolution is set correctly. For most users, 1920 by 1080 is the recommended setting. Also check that your output scaled resolution matches your desired output resolution. If your computer struggles with performance, you can lower this setting to reduce system load. Now locate the downscale filter option. Select Lanczos for the best image quality when scaling. Next, find the FPS type setting and choose Common FPS values. If you're streaming or recording gameplay, set your FPS to 60 for smoother motion. If you're recording tutorials, desktop applications, or less demanding content, you can reduce the frame rate to 30 FPS to improve performance. After that, click on Output from the left-hand menu. Change the output mode from Simple to Advanced. Now locate the encoder setting. If your computer uses Intel integrated graphics, select QuickSync H.264. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, choose NVIDIA NVENC H.264. If you have an AMD graphics card, choose the AMD hardware encoder. Using hardware encoding reduces the workload on your CPU and can significantly improve streaming performance. For rate control, choose CBR, which stands for constant bitrate. Then set the bitrate to 6000. This bitrate is commonly used for high-quality live streaming and works well for most platforms. Next, locate the keyframe interval setting. Set the value to 3. Once you've applied all of these settings, click Done or close the settings window to save your changes. Restart your stream or recording session and test the performance. In many cases, these adjustments can reduce lag, improve frame rates, and make your streams run much more smoothly. And that's how to fix lag and FPS drops in Streamlabs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Streamlabs tutorials, streaming tips, and PC optimization guides.